In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Copilot icon to your Microsoft Teams navigation bar. This is a quick and useful customization that can make Copilot much easier to access whenever you're working inside Teams. Instead of searching for it each time, you can keep it visible on the left-hand sidebar, so it's always just one click away. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Teams, since that's where this layout will be easiest to follow. Once Teams is open, take a look at the vertical menu bar on the far left side of the window. This is the main navigation area where you'll usually see items like activity, chat, and other apps you use often. Next, move your attention toward the bottom area of that left sidebar and click the three dots icon. This is the More Added Apps menu, and it lets you view additional tools and apps that may not already be pinned to your main navigation bar. If your sidebar looks a little different depending on your version of Teams, don't worry. The three dots menu is still the place you want. After that menu opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in the word Copilot. Searching helps you quickly find the app without scrolling through a longer list of available options. Once the search results appear, click on the Copilot icon to open it. At this point, Copilot should now appear in your left sidebar as an active app. The next step is what keeps it there for easy access. Right-click on the Copilot icon in the left sidebar. This will open a small context menu with a few options related to that app. From that menu, select Pin. Choosing Pin tells Teams that you want Copilot to stay on your navigation bar permanently, or at least until you decide to remove it later. This is especially helpful if you plan to use Copilot regularly and want to save time navigating through menus. And that's it. You now have quick access to Copilot directly inside your Teams app, right from the navigation bar. It's a simple change, but it can make your workflow smoother and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials.